In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start making passive income, money coming in every month by putting in the work in the beginning, and then after that, just letting money come in every month into your pocket. All right, guys, and I'm going to be teaching you this by you creating little mini courses and uploading them onto the web here, teaching people what you already know, right? And a lot of people don't really think about this, but if you really sit down, you have something that you can teach other people and actually get paid by doing it. All right, guys, if you guys are new to my channel here, first of all, I want to thank you guys for coming into my channel here. I teach you guys how to make money online, passive income. That's going to be the video for today. Affiliate marketing is my specialty, okay? And all these things, basically just making money online businesses, okay? This video, I'm gonna show you how you can start making money with Udemy, the special website. If you guys haven't heard of Udemy, let me jump into my computer here and I'll show you exactly what it is. So Udemy is going to be an online platform where you can come and pretty much learn to do anything. The people make little mini courses and they teach you on stuff that you want to learn, okay? Pretty much anything from learning how to start a business, learning how to do affiliate marketing, learn how to do Facebook ads, right? Learning how to do carpentry, whatever the case is, okay? Let's go ahead and type in some things here. Let's say how to start a blog. Check that out, right? You can create courses and you probably do little things at home. You probably do these things from day to day. Make little courses, upload them onto the site, and it's just basically gonna run on its own while you make passive income, okay? Every time somebody buys your course, you're gonna be making money. So check it out, by starting a blog, if you wanna learn how to do affiliate marketing, right? There's courses on here and teaching you how you can do that. Let's say, for example, in my situation, I am a helicopter pilot. I have courses where I teach other people how to fly helicopters, right? How to do the ground portion, how does it work, what they have to study kind of thing. And I get paid by that on a monthly basis, right? Let me take you into my back shop, into the instructor course here. And you see that these are just courses that I just uploaded. I only have 4 courses, right? So you see in this month alone, okay, learn how to fly helicopters. That is what I do every day. That is my full-time job, right? So I made courses where now I upload it onto Udemy and other people want to learn how to fly helicopters and I get paid, right? I did the work in the beginning where I teach them, I made the PowerPoints, and now I don't have to do anything after that and I just get money coming in month and month after that. For this month, so this is just going off from this month. This month I have earned about $110 just on the flying on my helicopter one, how to start an ATM business, introducing weather, right? And all this, what is this? It's probably about $120 that I'm going to be getting this month, right? It's not over yet. The month ain't over yet, so but it will just say $120. Imagine if you make $120 every month not doing anything else, right? That is what we're going to be doing. That is what you call passive income. You put in the work in the beginning, you create these little mini courses, you upload it, you teach people how to do stuff. They're going to buy your courses and you're going to be making money after that, month and month after that. So just imagine if you made $100 every month, okay, by 4 courses. And I'm pretty sure a lot of us have a lot more skills, right? Learn how to market on TikTok. You could also go and learn how to market, how to make videos on TikTok, how to become a professional marketer, whatever the case is kind of thing. Let me get back out to here. This is student mode, right? How to make TikToks. Check it out. There's going to be plenty of courses and people buy them. Look at that. How to make advertised masterclasses, online courses, affiliate marketing, TikTok. Okay. How to create blogs, how to create a website, how ClickFunnels works. Okay. ClickFunnels. I'm just giving you a lot of examples on stuff that we use every day. Okay. Let's say you're not tech savvy. You don't know anything to do online. Let's say how to dance. Check this out. You can make videos on showing people how to dance. Look at that. People are charging $60, $50, right? $12, $10. There's a bunch of videos. Learning how to cook. Okay, I mean, the possibilities are basically endless in this situation. Okay, stuff that you do every day. Let's say you're a stay-at-home mom. You love to cook, you love to sew, you love to whatever the case is, kind of thing, right? Make little mini courses, upload them onto these platforms. Okay, and after that, you basically just start getting paid. Let's say on average, let's say you make $20 on average a month on one course. Okay, let's say you upload one every week or once a month. That's already 12 courses. If you make $20 per course, 12 times 20, that's $240 that you made automatically, passively. Now just imagine if you uploaded that one video from Udemy and you uploaded it to another online site, right? Skillshare, that's $40 a month. Now you just doubled it. Now you're making $500 every month. And all you have to do is just put in that work in the beginning, okay? That is what we're gonna be doing right here. I'm gonna be teaching, I'm just gonna be taking you how to start, how to make money that way. Let's go back into the instructor. So you're gonna go to udemy.com, okay? There are some requirements on how you should have to record, the speakers, the voice, the noise, the sizing for your cameras, okay? Pretty simple stuff, but you basically come up here, you go to instructor, you create your instructor profile, you create a course, okay? You can start a practice one or you can go to real courses. And here is where you actually are going to learn what to do. You put in a little bit. Let's go ahead and go with, you see I already have aviation here. Let's just try affiliate marketing, okay? Because everybody knows what affiliate marketing is, but a lot of them don't know how to start it, how to start. Let's go ahead, let's see. We'll just walk through some questions here. I like to just put I like to put 5 hours here. Let's create this course now. Now that we're in the actual back course, this is going to be the meat and potatoes, okay? This is where you're gonna be recording. You're gonna record your videos, okay? They're just little small sections, about 3 to 5 minutes every section, okay? You can put as many as you want, and basically when you're done, you put in the information, right? What is this about? What are students gonna learn about? You're gonna actually put in your videos, your film, okay? Your curriculum, your course, your pricing. You put your pricing, and then all you do is just submit and review. Once the actual Udemy team reviews it and they approve it, it's gonna be out there for the world to see, and when people see it, they're gonna go ahead and start clicking on it. They're gonna start buying your courses, okay? Now, way for marketing, okay? We create the courses, Udemy markets this for us. Let's say that we're trying to learn how to learn how to dance. Let's see if we can try to do dance, okay? A lot of times, look at this. Just like I was talking about, Skillshare advertises for you, right? That Skillshare brings the customers from Google to you, okay? Skillshare is another platform that you can actually upload courses on. I have some courses on here too, as you can kind of see. You see I have up my profile here. I haven't really been on this as much. I have to upload the other ones, but look at that. I've made so far $30 and I started this about a couple months ago. That's just easy money that I don't have to do anything. Every month it hits my bank account with me not doing anything. I create these courses one time and I upload it onto Udemy. And then I take that same file and I upload it onto Skillshare. Look, I just doubled my income right there, right? $30 and $30, okay? Just imagine if you keep doing that, if you do 10 courses, if you do 20 courses, right? If you do one course a week and you upload it, it's just, the possibility is endless. That is what you call passive income, all right, guys? That is how we do stuff. Going back to Udemy, okay? Simple, very simple to do, okay? There is an actual rules and guideline that you have to follow. And of course, it's basically talking no profanity, no sexuality, anything like that. You have to record in 1080 or more, as the resolution, all this stuff. But it's very simple. You make passive money, and every month that money is going to be hitting your bank account without you even checking, without you even doing anything else, okay? Very simple, very easy. If you guys have any questions, comment below here. Let me know that if you guys haven't, if this is your first time and you subscribe, let me know down in the comments here that you guys subscribe. I go through every comment here. If you guys are still kind of unsure how this works, if you kind of still don't understand how to get started, write it in the comments, okay? I answer everybody, and if there's a lot of people that are still a little confused, I'm gonna make a whole new video taking you step by step on how to make these courses, but it's very, very simple, okay? Again, create something, create a course. You're gonna go onto Udemy, create a profile, go into the instructor mode, create a new course, and it's gonna take you step by step, just like you saw, what to do, how to do it. You record your videos, you upload them, you put in your titles, your pricing, your landing pages, submit it, and if it doesn't come back or if something was wrong, they'll tell you what to fix. And it's simple as that, guys, okay? Just imagine, I just made $120 this month. Imagine if I did that every month. That's $1,200 that you can kind of say it's free, that I didn't have to do anything else after that. I recorded my courses in the beginning, I upload them, and I just let them sit and let them ride. All right, guys? That's basically it for today. If you guys have any questions, let me know, write them in the comments. If you guys haven't subscribed, subscribe and hit that bell so you guys could get new videos that come out as far as how to make money online, okay? Different ways that I show you how to make money. This is by far one of my favorites that I love because for one, this is truly passive income. You record, you submit, upload, and you're done, and you just see the money rolling in, baby, all right? So until next, guys, I'll see you guys later.